Intuit is a software company that is an all-in-one financial app where you can do all things related to finance. This includes payrolls, taxes, loans, accounting, and books to payments. They offer this through 4 different segments. First, their small businesses and self-employed segment, which is financials for small businesses and self-employed, consumer, which is obviously for individuals, Credit Karma, which is anything to do with credit, and Pro Connect. The Pro Connect segment provides Lacrotet, Pro Series, and Profile desktop tax preparation software product. They make most of their operating income from subscription fees, which are paid monthly or annually. This is where you'd find their segments. The bulk of their earnings are from small businesses, which was about 8 billion in operating income. Then it's followed by consumers, which is 3.7, and so on. Now, this is a stock review, and it's more about the business itself than the stock price and why it's gone down and so on. So how does each of these segments work, and what does it provide? First, the small businesses segment goes through QuickBooks. QuickBooks for this segment can provide businesses expenses versus personal expenses via bank feeds, tax preparations which help individuals with their taxes and future taxes, mileage tracking for company trips, and finally invoicing, allowing users to estimate and send professional invoices on the go. Their consumer product goes through TurboTax and Credit Karma. TurboTax helps American and Canadian people with their taxes. Overall, these products and these segments have given Intuit a high gross margin of 80%. Intuit also has this moat with switching costs because after you integrate it, it's very hard for a business or individual to switch, making it very hard to get rid of when integrated into your ecosystem. This in turn gives Intuit its premium valuation, but as of recent, all software companies, no matter what they do, have been hit hard as investors are more hesitant with software companies. But I feel Intuit's business and their products will stand the test of time, and I don't think AI will be able to do your financials like people say they will. I think the way they have it, I think AI will help the business and not destroy it. Their products seem very sticky. Customers seem happy with them. It looks like a great product. Obviously, I don't have the product myself, so I can't give that. But otherwise, the concerns of AI and the overall sell-off, I think it is a good business trading at a good valuation. But like I said, this isn't a stock analysis. This is a business breakdown, which if you did like, please comment below for more and what companies you'd like to learn about. And if there's any ones that intrigue you, I will look into. So thanks if you made it this far, really thank you. And if any support you give, I do really appreciate it. But I do have to end it off there, so salam.